Hello, hello. If you're just joining, we are talking about some res shit, like deep down res shit. I think eventually I'll have to go live with other beaters. I've seen people doing the verses stuff. I'm interested. I'm very interested. I'd go lice with you, but I don't know. Damn. Just got that stuck in autocorrect. Just kidding. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Tiny. Powwow jewelry. Hoop earrings. These are hoop earrings. You can wear them to the powwow. You can wear them to the round dance. You can wear them to that Snagalicious club that you go to all the time. They are available for anywhere you want to go. Tiny will go lice. I ain't scared of a little bit of lice, but they tried to take me down in 94, 98. I'm still here. I can only go lice on weekend. Fridays or Saturdays only, because you need that extra day to comb out your hair. Oh my god, y'all just making my head itchy now. No lie. It's a bug life. They should make a cartoon out of that now. Oh my god. Y'all, the ideas are just flowing. I've got t-shirts in my head. I've got movies. I've got lines. I got quotes. I got memes. Y'all got me going. That's it. I'm done with beadwork. It's time to promote this Bug's Life. I could just see them ugly little things too in the cartoon. They just got that extra res accent too. Like, fuck, did you know Auntie got popped last week? The real ones use their fingernails. You'll just see that. The real ones use these. Just I could just hear the popping on that tin can. Oh my god. Ting ting. Just wants to amplify that sound, like a warning for the rest of you bugs. Just music to her ear. Do I have a no, I don't have a website yet. For the Bug's Life. Yo, I can't I can't with this Bug's Life. A was with your nets. But y'all don't be surprised. There's some Bug's Life merch out there. Don't be shy.